Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create this low braided ponytail. And before I move further, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for your support. You guys have been so amazing. Like, I wouldn't have gone this far without you guys. You guys rock. And like I said, it has 5 pre-stretched attachments on them, so I'm not using all. I am just gonna use 1.5 to making this sleek braided low ponytail. So I'm just wondering, should I do a high ponytail or a low ponytail? Well, let's find that out. So I started by parting my hair in the middle like so, and then brushing it all the way through. Yeah, I know some of you guys should be like, you didn't section your hair in parts and then put it in ponytail. Well, I just had to do what I had to do because I wanted this tutorial to be as quick as possible. So this is the product I'm using to put my hair in place. Now I just like this product because it just blends really well with my hair, and it's just, once you apply it, your hair just slip all the way through. So this works for me. If you have something else you want to use to put your hair in place, you can actually do that as well. So I'm actually bringing out those for my baby hairs. So that is all. So you guys just watch, and I'm sure you definitely enjoy the rest of the video. Don't mind my baby, she just keeps interrupting my voiceover. So guys, here I am parting my hair, like putting it in a low bun. So I hope you guys really love this video. If you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? Like, you want to see more of my videos, and I'm sure you want to see more of me also. So hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So yeah, this is how I did my baby hairs. Nothing serious. So I'm still trying my best to do this well. I don't know if I'm really good, but I do see some people how they slay their edges, like, wow, these guys are really professional. But anyways, this is me. This is how I do mine. So yeah, we have all this done, and then we're gonna proceed to using the darling braiding hair. I said this is just 1.5. I used just 1.5. I didn't. That's from the 5 pieces. I just took 1.5, and that is all. I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want it so bulky on my hair. And yeah, one thing I love about this darling braiding hair is because of how it looks so more like her human hair, although it is not. But I just like the look and I like the feel, and because it is also pre-stretched. So this is how I created this ponytail. Like, it is so easy, guys. It's so easy. You can do this as well if you follow the procedures. You'll be able to make this by yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now because I've been talking too much. I'm gonna shut up now so that you guys can enjoy the rest of the video. And yeah,